What's up, guys? I kind of didn't plan to do this video, but I had the Pitaka MagDock. I was thinking about putting this guy underneath one of these type of skins from D brand. So what I'm going to attempt is to put it on top. I don't feel like ripping my skin off. From what I understand, the metal plate is here and here. So what I'm going to try to do is cut in the middle. I'm trying not to block the Apple logo, so I'm going to try to put it up here and kind of around wherever they say is the spot on this little map or whatever you want to call it. It shows the XX Max is all the way at the end. So I more or less want it to go there. So what we can do with this right off the bat is, what I'm going to do with it anyway, cut it right down the middle. That's that. And then, I don't know how much I can cut off, but I'm going to cut off. That should be about good. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to cut it. This one can be a little bit more. I want to give it a wee bit more. This one, so we're going to line that up. Let's take this backing off. Now, this is a complete DIY because I don't want to block my Apple logo. I don't know if anybody else tried to do anything like this, but let's see. So that's going to go there. And now my other piece, I really don't need this anymore. It's just so we don't block the coil. I'm thinking of putting it, say, up here, like that. It looks pretty ghetto, I will admit, but you know, on my real install, the plate actually is right there, so I can cut a lot more of it off. If you push hard on it, you can see where the plate is. All right, so I'll let you know how this works, guys. Just wanted to play around with this. All right, so we're back. It actually did work. All right, so I'm going to attempt to remove that like so. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel. Hopefully this is in view for you guys. I'm going to put this I'm going to try to go down, say right about, that's covering a little bit is on the camera. All right, we're pretty much straight there. And I put my skin back down. Now you're going to have a little bit of a bump, as you can see here. I think I could do it, I think I could do this better. Let's see here. Since I'm using the skin, I actually do have a few of these. Let's see something. Here, if I could. It looks like I might be able to. There we go. I got it, guys. Bingo. There's the metal plate all on its own. All right. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to aim it like so, and then skin over it. And there we go. We do end up with a little bit of a bulge, but much better than it was. Or you got a tool of some sort. In my case, I'm just doing it with my nail. Here we go. Again, full access to the metal plate. Now, the good part of it is when you do peel this stuff off, is you got a little bit of stickiness underneath. Now you got to remember where you put it. I put it right here. So I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to grab skin from the bottom and I'm going to peel it. And it's right around, I want to go the other way, right around there. Then we're going to push the skin. Whoop. That I didn't want. Push this D-brand skin back down. I'm going to do all this. When I get it done and this works, I'm going to do it with a heat gun. And I'll shrink wrap it all around. So what's up, guys? We're back. We got the Pitaka MagMount here. I got my trusty old Samsung guy over here. But here we are with the Rhino Shield Crash Guard, iPhone XX Max. I got my Apple Watch 4 sitting over there. I got my AirPods charging here. Yeah, of course we can, if I don't want my AirPods there, I can pop them off. I can take my trusty Galaxy S10, pop it on there. As you can see, it's fast charging. The iPhone is still sitting up here. I can tap it. It is charging, as you can see. Pop it off. It's a tad bit, it's a tad bit hot. That's how it looks right now. I didn't heat gun it yet. But as you can see, heard the beep, and it is charging. So this does work. I'm using it with a non-magnet. Alrighty guys, so this will conclude this video. Hopefully this helps you. Please do leave a thumbs up. I do my best around here with what I can, as like I always say. This is an iPhone 6s Plus that I'm using to shoot this part of the video. Anyways guys, see you in the next one. Peace. Laters.